Here's the exact blueprint that I use to help business owners minimize their taxes to sometimes zero. We have saved clients hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year, and I'm going to explain to you how to do it. There's two boxes in your life. There's the active box. This box is anything like being a realtor, being an OnlyFans, being a consultant. As soon as your net income, meaning anything after expenses, is over 50,000, your CPA should tell you that you should become an S-Corp. Now, you can do this by yourself by filing Form 2553. I don't recommend it, but the more you know. Here's where it gets fun. You can pay your kids up to $15,000 each and not pay any taxes on it. That is literally how you can make your kids super wealthy. You can now rent out your house under the Augusta rule and pay no taxes on that. You can pay your spouse. You want to pay your spouse so that you can contribute to their retirement. And more importantly, you can literally contribute up to $77,000 into a solo 401k. After, you're going to take those proceeds and put them in the passive box. You want to make your passive box really, really big because this is what you're going to have when you want to sit around and do nothing. This is where you hold your rentals. And yes, you should create an LLC in one of those states that everybody talks about. So let's say, for example, you have an LLC in Wyoming as your holding company. If you are married, you should have a partnership. If you're doing a deal with Johnny down the road because you guys decided to buy a property, you should 100% talk to an attorney and have a partnership in Wyoming. But then what people miss is they do not have LLCs in the states where their properties are. So if you get sued, nobody cares that your LLC is in Wyoming if you've never registered your LLC in the state where your property is. So make sure that you do not miss this. This is where it gets amazing. You're going to cost segregate your properties by accelerating your depreciation. This is how you create losses on paper and how wealthy people pay zero to no taxes. You also have to materially participate in your rentals. You can't sit back and just collect all the rent. If you do this correctly, you can pay zero or get a big refund on your taxes.